Hello, my amazing art enthusiasts. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the Halloween spirit by drawing a spooktacular pumpkin plant. Get ready for a fun, creative, and joyous ride as we bring this angry pumpkin to life. So grab your supplies and let's jump right in. To start, we'll sketch an edgy zigzag line for that characteristic pumpkin grin. Now, add a round shape for the pumpkin head. It's already looking like an angry pointy-toothed pumpkin, isn't it? This pumpkin means serious business. We'll give it edgy, pressed-together eyebrows with wrinkles between them. And those two big, angry eyes staring right at you. Now, let's add some spots and textures to give our pumpkin even more character. It's looking groovy. We'll add some pointy leaves peeking from the background. And a bit of slime and spit coming out of its mouth. This Halloween plant is a real mess, and looks poisonous too. Set the stage by adding pumpkin vine details in the ground, all crumbled up. Now add a couple of leaves here and there to complete the drawing. And now, the fun ride begins, adding colors. Make the pumpkin wear a classic deep orange coat. Those eyes, shining in vibrant yellow. The pointy leaves in the background get a deep maroon color, and last but not least, add a touch of blue to the spit coming out of its mouth. Whoa! This pumpkin plant is sure to send chills down your spine. Now before we wrap things up, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more creative adventures like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, keep creating and let's embrace the art of every season together.